Good morning everyone. In this class we are going to discuss about Rafiullah's crop combination theory. In our previous class we have discussed about Dewey and Weber's crop combination method. Okay, in this class we will discuss about Rafiullah's model. This is a mathematical approach to objective agricultural planning. J.C. Weber provided the foundational theory of crop combinations, but his method suffered from a critical flaw. It tended to overgeneralize. By including statistical insignificant crops, the resulting maps become cluttered and unusable for regional planners like this. Okay, so Rafiullah breakthrough in 1956. In his 1956 work, Rafiullah developed the maximum positive deviation method. This technique is more accurate, objective, and scientific, designed specifically to filter out insignificant crops and handle highly diversified cropping structures. This is Weber's approach and this is Rafiullah's approach, like filtering process. Okay, there is a real world impact or real world example in Uttar Pradesh. By focusing on the middle value of theoretical standards, Rafiullah's method isolates the true agricultural drivers. For example, Basti district in UP, rice 54%, wheat production 23%, barley 9%, sugarcane 5%. Now variance peaks at 209.25 among these. Okay, that's why it's two crop region, that is rice and wheat region. Okay, anatomy of the maximum positive deviation formula. This is the formula. Positive difference from the theoretical median, d square p and d square n, number of crops in the combination, and this is a negative difference from the theoretical median. This is the formula. The square root sign from the original formula is intentionally ignored here to save laborious calculation, as only the relative rank of deviation is required. Okay, there is no square root. Okay, in this formula. This is the formula. Summation d square p minus summation d square n divided by n square is equal to d. Positive deviation formula. Now the establishing the theoretical base, that is x. The formula compares actual crop percentages against a theoretical median curve. This base represents what a perfectly evenly distributed region would like. Monocrop, that means number of crop 1, 50%. 2 crop 25%, 25%. 3 crop 16.6%, 16.6%, 16.6%. 4 crop, number of crop 4, 12.5 in 4 cropping system. 5 crops 10, 10, 10, 10 is equal to 50. Okay, like this. Applied case study, Nadia district. To see the mathematical model in action, we calculate the crop combination for the Nadia district across 17 distinct CD blocks, analyzing 5 primary crops. What are the primary crops? Primary crops are jute, wheat, paddy, mustard, and mustard, that is lentils. Now, step 1, normalization and ranking. Convert raw production into percentage of the gross cropped area, then rank. Okay, Karimpur on one block data, rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, rank 4, rank 5, jute, wheat, moisture, mustard, and paddy, and this is the percentage accordingly. Now step 2, calculating monocrop variance, that is n is equal to 1. Compare the actual percentage of the top ranked crop against the monocrop theoretical base. Okay, actual percentage is equal to jute 43.99% minus base, that means base what is the base? Base means 50%, and difference is equal to minus 6.01. D and negative difference. Okay, that is square difference means 36.12. 36.12 and variance is equal to 36.2. This is the formula. Actual jute minus base is equal to difference in negative difference in D and negative difference, and if is square difference. Okay, is equal to variance. Step 3, expanding 2 and 3 crops. Okay, 2 crop base 25% and 3 crops base 16.6%. Okay, this is the formula again. Variance 90.29 and variance 89.05. Step 4, completing the dataset. The process is repeated for the remaining crops, adjusting the theoretical base to 12.5% for 4 crops and 10% for 5 crop combination. 4 crop variance 72.42, 5 crop variance 56.17. That's how process is complete. Okay, after that, finding the maximum positive deviation. By plotting the variance, we easily identify the highest value, objectively classifying the region. Okay, monocrop, 2 crop, 3 crop, 4 crop, and 5 crop. As the variance reaches its maximum positive deviation at 90.29, Karimpur 1 is officially designated as a two-crop combination block. Okay, two crop. That's why, because it's get the highest maximum positive deviation. Okay, maximum positive deviation. That's why it is a two-crop combination block. Aggregating the regional data, applying this exact mathematical framework across all 17 CD blocks in Nadia district yields a definite agricultural profile. Monocrop zone, Tehatata, Kishnarganj, and two-crop zone, Karimpur 1, Nakasipara and Sapra, and three-crop zone, Karimpur. Mapping the combinations, raw statistics are translated into speciality by coding the calculated combinations. A clear, actionable picture of regional agricultural emerges like this. The value of scientific delineation, Rafiullah's maximum positive deviation method remains a critical tool by converting cluttered and noisy field data into clean, mathematically rigorous visualizations. It provides a sound base for modern agricultural planning and development. Raw data and noise, Rafiullah's method is equal to scientific delineation. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.